Hello, everybody. How's it going? Welcome to day 2 of coding till I can drop my day job. What is this? Your bitrate settings is out of recommended for Twitch. Out of recommended. What does that mean? Less than 6,000. Is this? What's fair? Your bitrate setting out of recommended. Please bitrate use. Streaming. It is. That is my maximum rate. I don't care. Figure it out, Twitch. Yeah, I promised myself I should be talking louder. Oh, I started a Discord server. Right here, you can see it. I don't know how to leave a link to it though. It's called Digital Dreamers Den. It's for people who want to make money from coding and like me drop the day job. Have something sustainable so they can just do that, just coding in their free time, coding on their own terms, and make money off of it. So yeah, you'd be more than welcome to join. The logo is just a nose because you need to be able to smell opportunities. That's why it's a nose. We talked about this yesterday, and we should probably get back to our affairs. And that would be, let's see, if we go to our to-do list, start a Discord server. Already done, my friend, but set it up. We need to still set it up because we have all these discussions, we have all these forums that are not properly set up. There's no post on there, no nothing. And yeah, we need to set those up. Oh, something else that I needed to do. Let's see. Something very important. Where's my Notion? Yeah, there. So if you go to the principles of Project Empire, you can see here that I have mentioned find something grand that in doing it we can get more viewers. And I don't know how to do that, but I'm kind of assuming that I'd be able to find something on Reddit or somewhere like GitHub. I don't know how to find projects that are buzzed up, like things that are very exciting to people right now at the moment. Work on them, just achieve something. It can be, hacking is very hard, right? Like if you hack something, if you unlock something, a game or something, I don't know, that'd be exciting. And we can offer that for free. We can also offer this streaming widgets for free. The stuff that we made yesterday. Well, they still have, I still need to work on the widgets because they are not finished. They're not completed. We don't have a bunch of stuff that I need to make that are useful, that I'm intended to make. And yeah, so what was it? OBS? Was it called OBS? Stream something. Yeah, that's what it is. Now if you do npm start, is it on 8080? It is. No custom CSS, don't inject anything into it. Okay, there it is. And let's edit that to just update it. So today, first of all, what is it that we're gonna do today? It's a Friday. So, Friday. Feature Friday. We're going to be discovering new things today. Features from languages and stuff. And we're going to come back to that every now and then. So, for that top, the blue part at the top, I'm going to do here. Feature Friday for that part. I'm not sure what I'm doing today. Maybe work on the widgets. Huh? If you can come up with something interesting, that'd be interesting. Yeah. OBS widget project, and for goal, let's say we can start with progress bars. There we go. So let's just make a progress bar. Make a progress bar. There we go. And let me just double check here. Do you have it here? Voting on their own territory. Alright, the volume's not bad. Hopefully it's not too loud. Yeah. And we have 0 viewers on both of our channels. I'm also streaming on Twitch as well at the same time. So, yeah, just to raise the chances of getting a viewer. Let's see if I have Twitch on my phone. I don't. Anyhow. These are very interesting things. Let's check the news and work on the widgets for a progress bar for like can this have sound? Yeah. OBS browser sound audio. Source audio. Is that possible? Where's audio should go to the default device? To capture device. Desktop audio man. No. Is that a thing? I don't have that here. Unhide. There's nothing here. Oh yeah, control audio via OBS. There we go. So let's see if we can play an audio on a thing so we can have we can have it ring every time we have to switch. We can have time intervals. That'd be great, right? Let's see. Great. JS, HTML, CSS. Let's not do that. Let's go code pen. Audio. Audio player. That's funny. It says hashtag app. We don't need style. What we need is audio here, sound. JS play audio. Do you have anything related to that? Holy shit, that's loud. Anyways, that's interesting. An HTML, what do we have here? Audio source. Says ChatGPT. It's the easiest way. How can I play audio on site using JS? Zero viewers. Perfect. Can you stop playing this? Great. Because whenever it's playing something in the background, it takes so much memory and also GPU and CPU and everything. Okay, so you can define an audio on your HTML. Just grab that and play it whenever you want. And click with a button or on whatever you want. That's interesting. Code pen, tailwind, progress bar. That one is very interesting, but not what I want. Ooh, that one's awesome. That one's awesome. Yeah, open that one. Yeah, let's go with this one for now. I have 8 index.html. I am using Webpack. How can I have separate HTML files? Import them to each other. What's that website? It's Freesound, right? Is it gone? It's freesound.org. Freesound.org. Hey, they changed it. Damn, that looks awesome. Beautiful. Okay, let's see the answer. Configure Webpack. File name about HTML Webpack plugin. You can do that? Really? Organize your entry points. I don't get it. Kind of makes no sense. Progress bar. W full, H full. What do we have here? Okay. Okay. And then how can we bring it to the bottom? Bottom. There we go. There we go. We can see the timeline there. That's awesome. Beautiful. Okay, now, how does it work though? Code block with progress bar starts. What's DH component? Can we just get rid of that? Will that change anything? Changes nothing. Oh. Hey, we have a viewer. Welcome. How's it going? Oh, we have a chat. Hello. What was it working on? We have that at the bottom, the progress bar. It's using an SVG for that check icon. The problem with this is making it dynamic. Dynamically generating this progress bar. Like, this is bullshit. This is static. We need to be able to change it with JavaScript. Oh. What is this? Prettier. So use code formatter. Does it work with HTML? HTML. How? Refactor. How can I format my code? Oh, prettier. Can you just... Oh. Format document. Configure. Prettier. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Okay. Now. No. This is a progress bar. How can I dynamically change it? Progress bar to show time. Dynamically update on the website according to time. Also want to dynamically generate it. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's exactly what I want. Just need to find. Class H full. Oh. Wait a sec. That's what I want. So now they have a class at the bottom of the screen, but we're going to dynamically generate a progress bar for it. It's going to be, I'm just going to create another JS, call it progress bar the JS. Create progress bar. Store it and whatever. And doing that in here. Okay. Do I need to import jQuery? I don't think so, because I'm importing here, right? Import. Progress bar. Huh. That's funny. Create progress bar, start progress bar, update. Step. It's progress. What do we have here? Clear interval. Oh, right. So how are we creating this? Find a container, and append child progress bar. Progress bar is create an element. It's a div, has those things on it. Let me take a look at the code pin. Create steps. For each step, it creates a div, and that's a progress step. So width is changing. Okay, it already looks full, but the width is changing. We're creating divs. They're flex, item center, H1. They have a color. They have an ID. And just append them to progress bar, which is a flex box with item center, justify between. Makes no sense. Query 500 or query 300. Yeah, that looks good. But then, do we need this flex and everything? What happens if you remove that? What happens if you justify between? Justify center. What is going on here? Anyways, let's see. Update progress. So when you update progress, give it a step. Oh, we don't want to do that here. I don't want to do that. I want it to be starting from left. It's still updating all the items, all the 3 items. That's why it's changing so much. Oh yeah, okay. Don't want to update every one of them. Now, What am I doing here? Oh, I still have a viewer. Hey, who's watching? Who's watching? The progress bar is full. I don't want that. We need to change that. Progress. We want them to be, the default should be width progress. Style width element, step element. Should be 1/3, it should be 0. There we go. The thing is that is gonna like fully cover the whole progress bar. We don't want that. We want it to just do 1/3 when it's 3. So let's see. The step is a div. Const fill is document to create element. Another div. And step the append fill into this step. And let's see. Percent. Can you do like that? Yeah, does that work? Like if it's 10%, does that work? 10%. It starts with 10%, right? How do we change that? With you can do step the style the width equals bang bang. Yeah. Put a percentage sign there. And const steps is equal to 4. Steps count is equal to 4. And then here steps count. Sorry. Let step percentage be equal to 1.0 divided by steps count. And here we do step percentage times 100. Or just, you can do that. And then fill the class name is equal to. Oh God. step element dot get child is it progress step. Oh, fill.id is equal to progress fill I. And here it do, instead of progress, that would do progress fill. Goo. Well, it's not working. Something's filling up, but it's it might not be. Well, let's see. H4. Does that help? There you go. This is too tiny. That's what she said. Okay. It's very important to have this in place, our time tracker, so that we can actually keep track of our time. In terms of minutes. So instead of this, let's have const plan. And for our plan, plan is an array of steps. So the first one is, so it has a time, duration. We can set it to 30 minutes, or maybe 25 is better. 25 minutes. And then you can have a name. Like for now, it can be widget work. And then we have duration 5, name, rest, duration 25, name, what was it? Feature Friday. And another duration 5, rest, or you just simply call it code. Instead of, yeah, let's keep it like that. So that's 1, 2, wait, that's 1 hour, 2 hours. And 3 hours. Okay. We have 3 hours of work. That's currently updating every second, but we don't want that, right? We want it to be like these durations are in minutes. So here you want to do you want to let active step equal to 0. Get rid of steps count. plan dot length. Plan dot length. We want the length of each part of the progress bar to be kind of responding to the duration, right? So kind of want to process that, like for let I be 0 I plan that length. You don't want it that equal there. I plus plus. I'm going to let sum equal 0. What was that? Oh. Here we're going to be sum plus equal plan of I the duration. So we can have a sum of the duration, and here in step percentage we don't want that calculation. Here we want plan I the duration divided by sum times 100. There we go. Now let's have it fill in much faster. So now that is the first step. Progress. Active step plus plus if active step is more than or equal to plan the length. Alright. Clear interval. Oosh. Interval. I don't know if that works, but let's see. Here, give it the active step. Active step plus plus progress equals 0. So let's see. Now it should, yeah, okay. Does it go faster from time to time? Oh, it's filling it with the same speed, but what is that? Why is there no last part? Look like an empty part. There's no sense. Should be covering the entire thing, but it's not. We're 15 minutes into this stream? Are you kidding me? That's not true, right? 15? That's it? It feels like an hour to me. Oh god. Oh my Jesus. So we have 11 elements. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are missing an element. Let's see. Console.log I. What is happening here? 11 elements. Is there an element 0? No, it starts with element 1. Why is there no element 0? That's why. There we go. Now it's fully covering the progress bar. We have 12 elements that correspond to our plan for the day. We have an active step. And now, the way we fill the steps needs to change. And there should appear a button whenever... Wait. So if I refresh this... Okay. So those are totally separate things. I need to change that. I don't know how though. You see what I'm saying? I don't know how to explain it. Just trust me. I need to change this. We're gonna change this plan. We're gonna just import and frame in JSON so that people can change it into other things. Active step. No, this is gonna be here. But here, let's change the progress bar so that it actually corresponds to the actual time, actual duration. We're not gonna run it, instead of running it every 1 second, we're gonna run it every millisecond so that it happens super quickly. We're gonna kind of try and assume that's going to be called every second and like make it correspond to minutes because those durations are in minutes. So we have progress that goes to 100. We shouldn't do 100. We should do plan active step the duration. Fix it. Nope. We're getting errors. What is this? Undefined reading duration. Duration of that. Makes no sense. Progress plus plus. for progress, you want to do progress divided by 60. This number of minutes divided by plan active step the duration times 100. Looks like it's working. It's working and it's steady. That's really important. But then we're gonna get errors when this gets triggered. Active step. More than planned at length. Oh, this interval thing is... See if that works. No, we're calling it every millisecond. If we called every second, that'd be working fine. I think we need to run a socket on this thing so that whenever you run it, you can open another program to control it. But for now, it'll work, I guess. Yeah, no errors. Beautiful, beautiful. Just bring it a little bit higher. There. Make it 30. Or 40. 42, 45, 36, is there 36? Ooh. 50? 70? There we go. That looks better. Or maybe that 20 is okay. Or was it? Yeah, that's okay. That looks nice. Instead of this, let's do 400 px. Or 800. There we go. That's even 1200. Ooh. Wrong number. 1200. Yeah. Okay. Now let's change the colors. These are the colors here. Color for coding, make it red. For rest, make it as indigo or sky. For Feature Friday, make it orange. Oh, color orange. For rest again. That's 1 hour of it, right? So let's just repeat that for 30 hours. There we go. Now we need to use the color. Right here, it's BG gray. Instead of gray, let's use BG That's not in the 4. That's crazy. Let's just keep it gray, I guess. Yeah. How do those things work? King. SVG. Can I use that SVG? Here. jQuery inject HTML. Oh, inject HTML. How can we inject HTML? Oh god. No. How can I inject HTML using JS into a div? The inner HTML. You can just set the you can set the inner HTML to something. So oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Change this. So Indigo. It's plan I the color. Ain't that beautiful? Wait, it's not working though. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? It's 100%, but I guess there's no red. What if it's indigo? So red is not a number? How about sky? Sky is it's not a color either. You sure there's no red? What? BG, what do you have? Slate gray. There is red. It's very stupid. Why is it not working? So if you change that to indigo, that works. Or if it's red, it does not. It does not work. It's because there's no 700 for red. I don't get it. 700. There it is, BG red 700. That works. For some reason, when we do that, plan the color. Oh, there we go. But then the next one isn't working. It's so stupid, I don't get it. Makes no sense. Like, why is red working when other colors are not? Like, if you do that, change that to sky, it doesn't work. Change it to red, it works. Sky, nothing. Blue, nothing. Indigo, it works. Orange, doesn't work. Red, does work. Ooh, I have a wild guess. Is it because... Let's see. Is it because it's not being compiled because nobody else is using it and we're using it in JavaScript? That might be why. Yeah, that's not... Tailwind CSS art is not just outputting those because they're not used anywhere else. But there. Do you have a red here? There's no red here. What if you do BG orange 700? The orange part works now because it's been compiled. Okay, how can we fix that? Is the question. Sky orange and oh, I know we can do this. BG Sky 700 BG red 700 BG orange 700. Have all those guys compiled like that, and then in JavaScript we'll change the background. There we go. My guess was right. They weren't being compiled. It's so weird. Super weird. Somehow, some way. let's have a mark or marker wherever the thing is changing, the plan is changing. Let's just add step.inner HTML equals to something. Here, let's add an H1 test. Instead of test, let's do plan I did me. Oh, what's going on? Class fixed or relative. Okay, and then top minus 10 ps. It's relative. Tailwind display flex inline block line table call table self table column grid contents list hidden inline. Can we do inline? Did that change anything? Nope. Inline block. CSS. Wait, what if we do absolute instead of relative? There we go, that's what we needed. Okay, that's a bit too much. So 10, let's do 50. 50. Bit too much, 20. Perfect. Text center. Didn't change anything. W4. Text center. Whoa. The W full is not. It's not helping. Maybe you don't want to center it. Perfect. Extra small. Beautiful. Text white so that we can see it here. That is perfect. Let me just look at it here. You can see it here. View on YouTube. The problem is that it's like, it's below that line. It's very hard to see it there. So let's change that real quick. Let me take a look here. So where do we have it? Is it here? Yeah. So it's 20 pixels at the bottom. Let's do 50. Even more, like 60. Or like 100 from the bottom. I think that's better. Yeah, there we go. Okay. That's much better. Look at that. Bang, bang. That's awesome. That's awesome. Awesomeness. The question is that if let's see. I think it's time for me to take a little bit of a break. How long have I been streaming for? Half an hour? That's not possible, right? This is 73 minutes ago. So how long have I been streaming for? Can you please tell me? I have no idea. It says 25 minutes. But it doesn't feel right. It feels to me like at least 1 hour. Do I have time? Yeah. 1 hour and 14 minutes. Why does it say 25 minutes here? Oh, wait. Is it? I don't know. Hour 14 minutes. Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, I deserve a 5 minutes break. And I'll be back. I'll be back shortly. Hello, I'm back. Oh god. Mm-hmm. 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 Alright. Wow, I still have a viewer. That's crazy. Anyways, let's do some Feature Friday. We can do this. Instead of orange and red. Yeah, that's okay. Let's just set this to 1 second. The progress interval. Set it to 1 second. Save it. Now let's actually do Feature Friday. For 25 minutes, 5 minutes rest. Code for 25. And go on. Beautiful widgets, guys. We have beautiful, beautiful widgets. So for Feature Friday, before anything, let's just check out the news. See what's up with the tech world. What's hot. FDA approves. What's FDA? Approves medicine. Okay. Paving the way to efficient architectures. What is that? Open source models offering a glimpse into a world beyond transformers. One of the focus areas at Together Research is new architectures for long context, improving training and inference performance over the transformer architecture. What is a transformer? Okay. Machine learning model. Transformer is a deep learning architecture from 2017. It's notable for requiring less training times than RNNs, and then large language models use transformers. Well, that's not a good explanation. What is a transformer in AI? Type of neural network architecture that have been transformers have been gaining popularity. Let's see how transformers work. Sequence to sequence model. That means any task that transforms an input sequence to an output sequence. This includes speech recognition, text-to-speech. Okay, how does it work though? Sequence transduction. Sort of memory. It has a memory. For example, recurrent neural networks, they have memories. How usually a sequence-to-sequence model works using RNN. But that's not a transformer, right? The problem of long-term dependency. And then we can have LSTM. If there is anything important, we can cancel some of the meetings and accommodate what is important. Okay, LSTMs can like adjust, like prioritize information that they receive and like make tiny changes or big changes. They kind of have a longer memory. They can have a longer memory of what they've received. But the problem with LSTMs is that when sentences are too long, LSTMs still don't do too well. Reason for that is that the probability of keeping the context from a word that is far away from the current word being processed decreases exponentially with the distance from it. And then there's attention. To solve some of these problems, researchers created a technique for paying attention to specific words. Neuros can achieve this same behavior using attention, focusing on part of a subset of the information they're given. For example, an RNN can attend over the output of another RNN. At every time step, it focuses on different positions in the other RNN. To solve these problems, attention is a technique that is used in a neural network for RNNs. Instead of only encoding whole sentences in a hidden state, each word has a corresponding hidden state that is passed all the way. Oh. Okay. So you can pay more attention to different parts of the input. Alright. And you have CNNs. Now, what are transformers? To solve the problem of parallelization, transformers try to solve the problem by using encoders and decoders together with attention models. Attention boosts the speed of how fast the model can translate from one sequence to another. Oh. Self-attention. I kind of understand Transformers now. But not really. I can't really explain it, but kind of have a feeling for it. For how it works. Anyhow, spinning out of a research program from our team and academic collaborators with roots in signal processing inspired sequence models, we are excited to introduce striped hyena models. Well, this release includes striped hyena Hessian, a chat model. Give me stats for it. How old is it? Evaluation, okay. The longer the sequence, the lesser, the smaller the perplexity. But it's not that different, like 2.4 to 2.1. It's getting close to 2. Perplexity scaling of SH 7 billion on Gutenberg collection books. Okay. Oh, the F1 is so much higher. It's like 10 units higher. It's actually really good. Oh, the score is not that much different. It's not better than all other transforms. Like, why is that Mistral Open better than this? What is the point? I don't get it. You're never taught how to build quality software. That's true. What uni teaches you? Universities are so overrated, man. People need to stop going to universities. Actually, let me change it. People need to stop caring about university degrees when hiring or given certain privileges to people. That'll fix everything. If nobody cares about a university degree when hiring, nobody's gonna go to the university because all the information is online. You probably need to care about a university degree if you're like hiring a doctor, because like human bodies are not very, they're very rare to come across, and you need to go to the university to get a corpse and like work on it and find out things about human body. But other than that, for anything else, you can just learn how to do it.
Can I interrupt you?
Sorry about that. What was I doing? Oh yeah, we were talking about universities. How companies deliver barely on time. What does that mean? I have seen it countless times. QA standards and measures are the ones to be cut out of the project because of budget reasons. First, it's oftentimes planned during the end of the project, but if development takes longer or scope creep comes in, there's not enough time for QA anymore. Bigger scope and features set results in bigger testing efforts. Closer to the closer you get to the release, that's probably the time to start testing. And if you have a big set of features, you might not be able to test it on time for the release. So you just want to, instead of having it go up exponentially, you just want it to go up not exponentially, right? The thing about that progress bar is that we don't know if if we don't know if it's time for the next section unless a little bit of it is filled. We need something to we need a tick, something that tells you that that part is over. Move on to the next part. Let me write that down. Just do widgets, stream time widget. Come up with that way to make it systematic. Right now we want to just highlight the active part of the plan. Highlight. All right. Right, that's good for the news. Let's get to the part that we actually do feature Friday. What is Feature Friday? It's a very good question. I'm not sure. Feature Friday. You look at features that things offer. Maybe we can look at the features of Webpack. Let's see what we can do with Webpack. Output mode plugins. Plugins. Anatomy. Usage. Let's search Webpack plugins. Webpack. Best Webpack plugins. Awesome Webpack. What do we have here? Component and templates. SVG React Loader. Oh, so when you want to use Vue or React, they're just plugins or loaders that work a certain way with certain file types, custom file types. You just configure with Webpack and just start using them. That's what they are. There's styles, language and framework, TS loader. I kind of think that I need that TS loader. Coffee loader. It's coffee loader. Bootstrap loader, post HTML loader, ELM. What's ELM programming language? Delightful language for reliable web applications. No runtime exceptions, fearless refactoring, understand anyone's code, fast and friendly feedback, great performance. Damn, the performance is even better than all the frameworks out there. Small assets, JavaScript interrupt. Playground. Examples. For HTML exposing text. Oh, that's ELM. Is it a framework or a language? Ugh. It kind of looks a little bit disgusting. I don't want to learn a new language. I just want a framework. So, no, thank you. TS Loader. I'm very interested in TS Loader because we probably need to do TypeScript instead of just plain JavaScript. Like if we have TypeScript, this would be much more reliable. Like you won't be able to make a mistake with this. These information that you're importing. But yeah, let's see. Coffee, Bootstrap, ELM, no. Babel loader. Why would you use Babel? What's Babel? JavaScript compiler. Use next generation JavaScript today. like a browser compatible JavaScript. It looks exactly the same though. That one. What else? Worker. Resolve URL loader. Karma Webpack. Use Karma with Webpack. Stumble Webpack. Integration libraries.env Webpack. Gulp Webpack Stream. Run Webpack through a stream interface. Okay, let's see what Gulp is. It kind of looks like what Webpack does, though. Looks a lot like that. Yeah. Webpack blocks, Webpacker, Webpack plugins. Oh, that's what I wanted to see. Define plugin. Create global constants, which can be configured at compile time. Compression plugin. Offline. Rewire. Copy Webpack plugin. Huh. Core.js plugin. Hey, we already achieved our goal though. Make a progress bar. Oh, and it's rest time. It is rest time, my dudes. Yeah, the features on Webpack are boring. Fuck that. Fuck that. I still don't know how to stream well. I need to figure that out. Like, when I'm streaming, it doesn't have a purpose. It's very vague and like my efforts are very scattered. If that makes sense. But now this time, is there a Discord server? I'll close Discord for now. What do I have here? Close that. And okay. I have this company, right? It's called Byte Fight. This is the website of the company, and I'm trying to sell. I'm trying to sell through this blog or landing page / blog. My services, which are automatic block services and just AI automation related to businesses who want to have a website full of blog posts that are constantly being updated, and my goal is to get a customer, my first customer for this. So maybe we can have it here. Wish list. Div. do? Get my first customer. Make $1,000 from my business. But before getting my first customer, I need to actually turn this website into something acceptable and also showcase my automatic blog thing. Like here, these posts should be automatically generated by ChatGPT. That's what I'm using, ChatGPT. Let me close that. Great. So I'm using a bunch of prompts to generate files using ChatGPT, and you can see one of the generated files here. Kind of uploads everything to my Google Drive. It generates a post. The problem with the post is that it doesn't. Well, that looks actually really great. Problem with the post is that, damn, it doesn't. Damn, that's actually really, really good. Oh, it also has a date. Neat. It has everything then. I guess the thing about it is that it's not. Whoa. It's not being generated in a modular way. So it's just a code that runs once. Generates a bunch of titles. I'll show you how it works. So, wait. Let's see. Python app.py. It first comes up with a bunch of titles for posts that are related to a certain topic. And the topic here right now is it's about website software services, offers online presence management and SEO, and just stuff like that. Marketing, online marketing, and AI automation services, right? So it first comes up with 10 titles, array of titles. I'm not sure if it's 10 titles, but a bunch of titles, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 titles that are supposed to be questions that are going to rank high in the SEO. So how can structured data boost your SEO rankings? Right? And it generates an array of those questions. What are the benefits of AI-powered inventory management? And then here, it writes an outline for it. So the first one is, how can structured data boost your SEO? The outline is understanding structured data and its importance for SEO, identifying the types of structured data, and blah, 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 blah. It writes an outline, a summary. This post outlines the steps to use structured data to improve SEO rankings effectively. A bunch of tags: SEO, structured data, JSON LD, microdata, Google rich results, and website optimization. And then for each one of these titles in the outline, it generates an image, uploads it to Google Drive, and writes some content. Whoa, why did I get an email? Did I say email? Error. What the fuck? Yeah, I got an error. I don't know why, but I got an error. Let's see. How can we do this? How can we? What is wrong? Permission denied. Is it because of my key.json? Probably is because of that. I don't know if I can show you what goes into this, so I need to censor this for a second until I figure it out. Open up my Google console and just make it work again. Wait, let's see. Google create key.json. Anyway, service account keys. G-Cloud. Create key of type. There it is. It's supposed to be, yeah. Just give me a second here. I'm still here. Just, I need to figure this out first. Alright, let's see if it works now. Alright, welcome back. Let's see if it works now. Streaming is hard. Like you require a lot of energy to be streaming for a long time. Like we're at hour 2 of this stream. Not gonna lie, before I start streaming, I'm excited about it. But when I start, it's just it's a lot of effort just to be talking about things. As you can tell, probably I'm not a big talker. So now I generated an image. Let's see. That's the image. Looks funny. Create an engaging image. Wait. What is the first one again? Is your website mobile friendly? Understand the importance of responsive design for SEO. Oh, permission denied. Come on. Oh. Just a second. Come on. Authorize. That's what it is. Authorize. Shh. Oh my god. JSON. Oh yeah, authentication with the service account credentials for. You can change the settings we're running. Shh. What? Oh, okay, I found it. I found it. I swear to God I found it, but I might have said it. Shh. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Come back. Alright. Sorry about that. Ooh. Sensitive information. Don't show the sensitivity. Sensitivity training. Let's see if it works this time. Just generate a blog post, please. The key is called Google Application. Google Application Authentication, something like that. Please upload it. Now, oh, come on. Set. Wait. Windows set. Or set X. No, what? Except command. Can we not do except? Oh. Windows set. Command line. Set this equal to that. That's exactly what I did. So Windows CMD echo variable. How can we do that? Echo that. Oh. No, that. This. Okay, that's not working then. Windows CMD set environment variable. Variable. How can you do that? Say getting environment variables in Windows. No. Except set that. Set X. Oh, we can do set X without using an equal, so. So, can we echo it now? There's still nothing. There's still nothing. That is not working. What is this? PowerShell. PowerShell. Echo environment variable. That's how it works, but it's empty. So let me grab that, go there and run it. Nothing. Settings. key that Jason. No. Oh God. Come on. Set. That equal to key.json. It doesn't echo it. Why is it impossible to set a key? Do we need that there? What? PowerShell alternative to export. Set. It's set. So stupid. It's just stupidity. Lots of stupidity. Oh, streaming sword. What should I do? Baby, I want some money. Give me your money, baby. Give it to me. Image successfully downloaded and saved. No. Windows set. How to set that on Windows? Set. Key.json. It's empty. Why is it empty? Why is it empty? Echo path. That doesn't work either, so. Oh, maybe echo is not a thing. Echo in variables. PowerShell. Oh. Get item. Get item. Get variable. Can you just... Hey! Okay. Will that work? Please, please, please. This is terrible. I've been spending so much time on just making an environment variable work. So stupid. I don't know why I have headphones on. I'm not listening to anything. Please upload the fucking thing. In resticles. Declare my resticles. There's the content. Now upload. It's easy. You have the keys and everything. Permission denied. Why? Denied on resource. Working with Google Access tokens is so yuck. I've had this problem for a long time. And every time I just restart the computer, it's there again. I don't really know what to do about it. Wait a second. Look away. Yeah, there's nothing here. So everything's perfectly set up. Why can't you just have a very simple token? I don't understand it. I'm gonna figure out how to make this work. And then after that, I'm gonna disappear into the horizon. Let's not use Google. Fuck Google. Okay? Let's use something else. Test apply, okay? Please, ChatGPT, Mr. GPT, just tell me, write Python code to upload images to a CDN of your choice. Is that called CDN? Yeah. To a CDN of your choice to an image hosting platform of your choice from URLs. So I give you of an image and you upload. Go to Imgur's API page. Register your application to get a client ID and client secret. Run a Postman for a web. Who cares? Okay, Postman for web. Image. Get image, post, image upload. Has headers, client ID. API deprecation? No. What is that? Imgur application. Register. Application name. Test app. Callback URL. That's where I quit. Registering for an application on Imgur. It asks for a callback URL. What should I give it? Knowing that I am working on a test application that is run on my PC. Localhost. Really? That would work? But localhost for Imgur, it makes no sense. Callback URL is insecure and can expose. I don't care. We're not gonna upload anything from. Ugh. There we go. Oh, I just shared my Imgur client secret. That's stupid. Stupid of me. and create another application. Test app 2. Not a robot. Submit. Okay. Imgur CI Imgur secret. Just keep the memory environment variables and come back to the theme. You can look at it now. Oh! And we're CI. Let's have a test image like that. Copy image address. Let's see if we can run that. Python test. Status 400 error. Why? Bad request. Image. Upload. Is this, yeah, post. What's the URL? Oh, the URL is wrong. What do we have in headers? Client ID. That looks right. And then we have authorization, and we also have an image in the header. Is that right? Wait. Headers. No, that's not how it works. Wait. No. You need to download the image from the URL and then upload to Embark. Okay, let's go to that. This looks more promising. So now Let's see if that works. Uploading 400 bad request. How are you doing that again? This is image. Okay. Now headers, data. So can we have a data? Date. Form. Let's see it on Postman's. Oh, it is upload. It's not image, it's upload. Headers. Wow. Upload. Headers. Authorization. No parameters. Body. A binary base 64 data. So for image, okay, and body. What is body? Is it data? It must be, right? And then data we have image. It's base 64. Let's test it. It's free. Bad request. Why? Form data. Oh, it's form data. No, you need to use form data to upload base 64 image. It says files. Does that change anything? Oh, we don't support that file type. What does that mean? What is that file type? Python upload image to Inaugural. base 64 image. Just that. Error. That. What is wrong with you? Image to base 64. Okay. Can you do this? Ooh. We don't support that file type. Okay, that's it. Form data. Python post form data. It's a data. It's not file. And when you do that, it says bad request. Why? Why bad request? Huh? Why? Headers, body, a binary file, base64 data URL. We can have a URL of an image. You need to download it. URL. URL. Why? Give me more. Python. Please. Python requests. That's not my secret. So in the header we can do, instead of client ID, we can say bearer of secret. Ember secret. Bearer of secret. If no files, no payload. Well, say it's a URL of some sort. It's just that. Okay. That. Why is the payload still empty? Why is it empty? The payload's empty. I just... Okay? Please. Image. Oh, I need to enable it. There we go. So it says image, and there's the URL. Image, URL. Data. Let's go to that. Authorization. Upload. Okay, everything looks perfect here, okay? Why am I getting bad requests? Let me just test it. Just look away for a second. Let me test it from here. Whose name? You set the host name. Getting an error. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. Oh. Bad request. Finger upload bad request. Upload route, alternative route. Well, you can also do image. The access token provided is invalid. Get the CI as well. See if that changes anything. Hey! Got it! There we go. Fucking finally. Alright. Okay. Now, let's define another function, upload to embark. Oh, oh, no. URL, just do this. Oh. Return embark link. This use URL. Shh. Shh. Okay. Now here, instead of download, upload, so these functions, we just first of all, so rename this to uploader. .py. From uploader, import upload image to embark. Don't need that anymore. Upload image to embark. We just need the URL, and that's it. There we go. Now let's see if this works. Please fucking work. I want to leave. I want to stop streaming. Please. Why do you have a viewer on Twitch? What a persistent viewer. Not even chatting or anything. Oh. How can small businesses integrate AI chatbots to improve customer service? That's brilliant for my blog, for my business, for the thing that I'm trying to do. Ugh. Missing 2 required position arguments, CI and URL. I'm using the wrong fucking function. Upload to embark. So dumb. Do it again, please. Please, 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 please. I'm currently staying in an Airbnb. I don't have a house. I have a place. That's how fucked up I am right now. I'm looking for money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Please give me money, 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 money. Upload that shit. Upload that shit. Yes. It worked. It worked. Now it's creating the blog post. And then once it's finished, you can find the blog post here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is that plug this into my website. And it'll automatically run like once a day. And if you run it once, that's like 20 posts. Of course, using ChatGPT is going to cost me. But it's not that much. It's like probably it's gonna cost me $20 a month for 20 times 30 blog posts. That's 20 blog posts a day with images, with everything, and it's all related to my business. It's crazy. That is absolutely nuts. And then the next step would be to actually create a database for my blog posts. So every time I post something, I can have a newsletter. I can have an email go out to my customers, like whatever. Have hooks to new content. Just generate the blog post, because I'm gonna go fuck off. Let's go to the gym or something. I'm so bored. Play games, maybe? A little bit. Get my first customer. We haven't made any money yet. And what do we have in our to-do? Set up the Discord server. code more personal website and blog. Microphone quality software. Where's Discord? Yeah, I need to set up all the posts, all the things here. Let me see. There you go. Server settings, overview. Okay, look. Blog posts is here. Monitor and improve page load speed for enhanced user experience. Was that the first title generated by this thing? How can wait, what? Wait a fucking second. Where are you getting that from? The title? Where's that coming from? What's title? What is title? Title, tags. Oh, title is O. What's O? Oh, an outline. That is the wrong fucking title. I just need to change it, okay? I'm not gonna spend time on this. Because the first... the last part in outline is being set as title, which is not what we want. What we want is title array 0. That's what we want as the title, right? And that is, how can small businesses implement whatever that is? That's what it is, okay? And let's take a look. Whoo, sheesh! Look at that. Beautiful. We want to try and put this in our blog, see how it works. Where our blog? Okay. Just drag this, drop it in blog. Localhost 30,000. We have a bunch of errors that are concerning, but let's see. Yeah, there we go. That is the awesomest thing I've ever created so far. Look at that. Free blog posts. For free. They're free. That's crazy. With like advice and everything. It's like an actual blog post about something that I don't know what to say. Anyhow, that's it for today's stream. Come back tomorrow for more, and I hope that we can soon make money off of this business that I started, Bytefight. It was supposed to be a game dev business, that's why it's called Bytefight, and I secured the name, and then we pivoted, and I had to kind of rebrand it to say win the online fight, leveraging AI to triumph in the digital brand warfare. So it's about war, competing with using AI to compete with your business competitors. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.